This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering on the headphones and putting them into pairing mode so the phone can detect them. Make sure the headphones have meaningful charge. Low battery can prevent stable pairing. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings directly. Use Control Center or Settings so you can watch the device list in real time. Once done, turn off or forget other nearby audio devices to avoid conflicts, and keep both units within 3 meters to maximize signal strength during discovery. You tap the headphone name in the phone's available devices list and wait for acknowledgement. This initiates the secure link exchange required by Bluetooth. If the phone asks for a PIN, enter the code shown by the manufacturer, often 0000 or 1234, and confirm. Once paired, make sure the phone shows a connected status and select the proper audio profile, such as A2DP for high-quality music or HFP for calls, because choosing the right profile ensures optimal sound and microphone behavior during use. You should now play audio and test the mic to verify full functionality, adjust volume, and ensure the output is set to the headphones. If the connection drops or audio is mono, forget the device on your phone and repeat pairing, and reboot both devices to clear transient faults. Make sure firmware is current on both ends because updates fix compatibility, and if problems persist, reduce interference from Wi-Fi routers or USB 3.0 ports, since electromagnetic noise can prevent a stable Bluetooth link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.